We want people to know that we're trying to do this for everyone's benefit. We're not in it to destroy your trees. That's not what we want to do. A lot of us get into this line of work away from domestic tree surgery because there's a good reason for doing this job. We're trying to maintain people's electricity rather than pruning a tree for the sake of it. We're doing it for a good reason.
4 metres cut can sound quite a lot to people, especially if it's not been cut for some time. So there's a bit of negotiation there, trying to get people on board and help them understand why we're doing it.
As a team, we're moving in a really positive direction. We've got some youngsters coming through and we're taking steps into apprenticeships and stuff that we've never done before. We're really moving with the times and it feels great to be part of that.
My team's great. I love the people I work with. Everyone's very friendly. Not many people can say they can climb trees for a living, right? So I think there's a lot of fun and satisfaction from that side of things too. It's a very rewarding career. Before we go out and work, we're looking out for like birds nesting, badger dens, bat holes, anything where any form of endangered species of wildlife could be put at risk or at harm's way. There's a lot of environmental pre-checks before we start doing things. I mean, even dead trees are environment, so it's not as if we're just checking the live ones, we're checking everything all the time. Yeah, filling out risk assessments and making sure we're carrying out correct protocols.
From a customer's point of view, there was, in the whole region, there was 20% less power cuts caused by trees. That's something that people will be feeling the benefit of. So what we're doing really is making a difference.